Hello everybody, today I'm gonna review the Honor Magic Watch 2. I've been using it for quite a while now, and I will talk about performance, day-to-day use, fitness tracking and battery life. But first of all, about the watch. It's a very good looking and stylish device, well built. With the leather band you can get a classy look, and you also have the silicone one for casual day-to-day use or for fitness activities, and either way is quite a looker. On the technical side, it has a 1.39 inch OLED screen, which gets fairly bright and even readable in direct sunlight. The colors are nice and look very vivid. Internally you get the Kirin A1 and 4GB of storage, that only about 2 of that is to store music. But in this case, the specs don't say a thing. The watch runs smoothly in about every task you throw at it. The UI is simple, fast and well designed, so overall it's a very good experience. To the tracking abilities now, sleep tracking works quite well across every scenarios, even daylight naps are recorded perfectly. The stress monitor though, I would say it's hit or miss, so don't count it a lot. The heart rate monitor instead surprised me. Seems pretty accurate across the board, and even in running session stayed locked on. I can't say the same for the GPS though, but I think the overcast days didn't do it any favors too. At every session it provides a lot of data and details, and you can also overlap charts if that's your thing, so you can have a more detailed review of what you've done. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with its tracking abilities, but it still remains to be tested in gyms, something impossible right now due to the COVID restrictions. Finally, the battery life is amazing. With daily GPS and fitness tracking, it lasts about 6 days without breaking a sweat. So, after a year, is it still worth the money? I would say 100% yes, considering that you can find it as low as 120 euros. It's a bargain. And that's all for today's video. You can check the unboxing video here.